All right, here we are looking at the 2025 Wildwood Grand Lodge. You're going to notice this thing's huge because this is a destination trailer. So this is meant to just park and be left there. This is kind of built up and set up like a house. So you have full-size residential appliances in there. Full-size bathroom, washer and dryer will be in there. You could sleep 8 to 10 people in this unit. So you know it can fit the whole family and more. You have the awning out here. All of them have this, and they actually, in the 2025, the Wildwood Grand Lodge, there's a 42 veranda, which is the exact same floor plan, but they put a back deck on it. You cut off a loft in the back, but there is a deck on the back, so you can utilize that as a party space. These are real cool floor plans. They introduced the Grand Lodge views in 2024. This is their second year doing them. They changed a lot of things going into 25. They went to a whole new color scheme that looks a lot sharper, makes it look a lot bigger. Wildwood Grand Lodge are great because they have a competitive price point. And a lot of features that a lot of other floor plans and manufacturers can't offer at this price point. So check them out and give us a call.